When your thirst is legendary but your coordination is still buffering, so you decide to become the water bowl. Insurance company said it was his fault for not using his turn signals.
Lucy, can you go get a book?
It's now been 35 days since we brought the girls home. Lucy has been incredible. She has been absolutely pivotal to our first days as parents and our first moments as a family.
Can you go get Fleece? Do you remember Fleece?
Lucy has welcomed Lily and Lennon into our little family with open arms, no questions asked. Well, maybe not so little family anymore. As I prepare to return back to work, I worry things might get a bit tough for her.
Oh, good girl.
But honestly, I think she's going to be just fine.
Lucy, you want to go for
I think I'll be the one finding it tough. I pray Lucy serves as an example to any new families out there. If we include them, they'll include us. So we all appreciate that.
Legs in the air like he just doesn't care.
Ariel, mi fai una cortesia? Mi puoi prendere le pantofole che c'è il pavimento freddo? In cambio io ti do 5 biscottini, ok? Dai, prendimi le pantofole per favore. Lì, prendi la pantofola. Porta qui. Porta qui. Qui bene. Grazie. Grazie mille. E uno te lo sei già meritato. Ora, mi vai a prendere anche l'altra? L'altra pantofola, vai. Bravissima. Porta qui. Lascia. Grazie mille. Jackpot. Bravissima.
Orange cat stares into the void and wonders if lunch is coming soon. Two tiny fuzzy criminals are caught in the act of being absolutely adorable. Watch as they initiate a high-stakes tactical maneuver involving sharp claws and very round eyes. One kitten prepares for a major pounce while the other simply looks confused. Resistance is futile when faced with this much feline chaos. Staring into the void while waiting for my dinner. Life in this cage is truly a positive experience. Look at this fearless little fluffball demonstrating that size is merely a suggestion when you have maximum audacity. This tiny kitten clearly missed the memo about hierarchy because it is out here squaring up to the senior cat like a pint-sized heavyweight champion. It is a classic David versus Goliath scenario, except David is covered in fur and Goliath just wants a peaceful nap on the sofa. Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the decision that being a chaotic menace is more important than safety. Watching those little paws work while the big cat looks genuinely baffled is peak comedy. May we all approach our daily problems with the same unearned confidence as this absolute savage.
Qua nào, tới đây với anh. Nói tới đây với anh.
The Ginger King has conquered the summit of the wooden wardrobe, looking down upon his humble servants with absolute judgment. He climbed the mountain for the view but stayed for the superior silence of high altitudes. This fluffy orange cloud is now officially out of reach for pets or chores. Majesty is a vertical climb and he reigns supreme today.
Buruan tuh, kencing lagi di situ. Ah, itu lemari itu. Tuh. Buruan turun ya.
That's right, you and me, right now, we're having it out. Let's go, come on, come on.
That face says I have already seen way too much for a puppy who only just learned how to sit.
Can you guys stop calling me cute? I'm not cute. I'm mean and scary, and I'll kick your butt. So, thanks.
Behold the majestic white French bulldog conquering the local park bench like it is the summit of Mount Everest. This tiny cream-colored explorer begins with a cautious sniff of the industrial-grade metal before deciding that the view from 6 inches higher is truly life-changing. Notice the specialized technique of balancing 4 paws on narrow slats while maintaining a tongue length that defies the laws of physics. It is not just a walk in the park, it is a high-stakes tightrope performance for a very small audience of squirrels. This puppy is living proof that confidence is 90% panting loudly. These two little fluffballs have clearly mastered the art of the dramatic balcony standoff. In the beginning, the big one looks like a fluffy cloud begging for snacks, while the tiny puppy zooms around in complete chaos. By the end, they both realize that staring intensely through the glass is the only way to get your attention. It is a masterclass in canine manipulation and high-rise living that honestly deserves an award.
Con tự giải quyết đi nhé.
Look at this majestic creature sitting there like a tiny white cloud of pure judgment and expensive fur. One moment he is a stoic philosopher contemplating the mysteries of the universe and the empty food bowl. Suddenly the chaos engine engages and he is on a mission to sniff every single corner of the apartment for hidden treats or perhaps an elusive ghost. He investigates the door with such intense curiosity that you would think he has a secret meeting with the neighborhood council. Truly living that fluffy feline life.
clip ghi lại khoảnh khắc muối mặt của một bé mèo khi quyết tâm chinh phục bức tường cao. Sau khi canh chỉnh rất kỹ, em chọn hẳn chiếc xe cao nhất, gần bức tường nhất làm bệ phóng, lấy đà rồi bật nhảy như ngủ. Không nản chí, mèo ta tiếp tục thử lần 2 với quyết tâm cao hơn, kết quả vẫn y chang lần trước, rơi thẳng xuống đất. Trong khi nhỏ mèo nỗ lực cố gắng thì đằng xa, chủ video lại đứng gần đó rồi quay lại toàn bộ quá trình và cười không ngớt. Chưa dừng ở đó, clip còn được đăng lên Douyin và nhanh chóng viral, khiến cả mạng xã hội cùng biết đến màn 2 lần thất bại liên tiếp của em mèo. Dân mạng đùa rằng nếu biết nói và có thể ra tòa, chắc chắn chú mèo sẽ kiện human kia vì tội bôi nhọ danh dự mèo quyền và lan truyền sự cố cá nhân lên không gian mạng.